Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about something that's really important for both your car and the environment: recycling used oil after an oil change. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that something I can just take to the shop when I get my oil changed? And the answer is yes, but there are actually a few things you can do to make sure your used oil is recycled properly. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, from draining the oil to finding a recycling center. I'll also give you some tips on how to store your used oil safely until you can take it to be recycled. So, if you're ready to learn how to be a responsible car owner and help protect the environment, then stick around. An oil change is a crucial part of maintaining your car's health. It keeps the engine clean and lubricated, ensuring smooth operation and longevity. But what happens to the used oil after the change? It's important to dispose of it responsibly, and luckily there are several ways to do so. The most environmentally friendly option is to recycle used oil. Many auto shops and service stations accept used oil for free. You can also check with your local recycling center or waste management company. They may have designated drop-off points or even offer curbside pickup. Used oil can be re-refined into new oil, reducing the need for crude oil extraction. This process involves removing impurities and contaminants, resulting in a high-quality product suitable for various applications. Some companies specialize in re-refining used oil, and you can often find them through online searches or by contacting your local recycling center. Believe it or not, used oil can be repurposed for various tasks. Some people use it as a lubricant for tools and machinery, while others employ it as a fuel source for heating systems or even mosquito control. However, it's crucial to research and follow proper safety guidelines when using used oil for these purposes. Never pour used oil down the drain, into the toilet, or onto the ground. This can contaminate waterways and harm the environment. Additionally, avoid mixing used oil with other liquids like gasoline or antifreeze. Recycling used oil is essential for environmental protection and resource conservation. By taking advantage of the available options, you can ensure that your used oil is disposed of responsibly and even potentially reused. Remember, responsible disposal is key to keeping our planet healthy and our cars running smoothly. Recycling used oil is important for protecting our environment and conserving natural resources. When used oil is not recycled, it can end up in landfills or waterways, where it can contaminate the soil and water. This can harm plants, animals, and humans. Recycling used oil helps to prevent this pollution and conserve valuable resources. Recycling used oil is easy and convenient. There are many places where you can recycle used oil, including auto repair shops, recycling centers, and some gas stations. You can also collect used oil in a container and take it to a local recycling center. Here are some tips for recycling used oil. Store used oil in a clean, sealed container. This will help to prevent spills and leaks. Do not mix used oil with other liquids. This can contaminate the oil and make it difficult to recycle. Take used oil to a designated recycling center. Do not pour it down the drain or into the trash. By following these simple tips, you can help to protect the environment and conserve natural resources. Content requirements. The script should be focused solely on the main body of the content, based on the provided outline. Do not write an introduction or conclusion/ending for this video script. Your script should start from the first main point and conclude with the last point detailed in the outline. Detail level. Each section under the provided headers must be thoroughly detailed and informative, covering all necessary aspects of the topic. Aim to leave the viewer with a comprehensive understanding of each subtopic. Style and perspective. Write in a conversational and narrative style, as if the blogger is personally discussing the topic with their audience. The text should feel personal and engaging. Script length. Aim for the script to be as long as possible without sacrificing quality or relevance. The depth of information and engagement is paramount, and longer, well-constructed content can enhance viewer retention and satisfaction. Formatting specifics. Numbers. Any numbers appearing in the text must be written in capital letters, e.g., 200 instead of 200. Lists. The script text should not contain any lists in it. Objective. The goal is to create a script that not only informs but also engages the viewer, encouraging them to watch the entire video and possibly take further action, like subscribe, comment. Don't write any explanations. Just the script. Language. The script must be written in English, with attention to correct grammar and usage suitable for an English-speaking audience. Be sure to check that the script is in English.